Hello, my sister. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Nice meeting
And
you.
you?
I'm so happy to meet you. Anyway, um, with your consent, right?
Yeah.
You permit me to do this a little 2 minutes recording.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
No worries.
Could you tell our viewers your name, please?
My name is Kemi.
Kemi.
Kemi, yeah.
Oh wow! Is it like Kemi of Kemi?
Kemi, yeah.
That is it seems to be it's Nigerian like Yoruba name, isn't it?
It is, yeah, that's correct.
How come your name is Kemi? Tell me.
So when my mother was pregnant with me,
Okay.
she went into a restaurant. She was hungry, and she got talking to the lady that served her, and the lady's name badge said Kemi, and my mum said, "I really like that name. It's a beautiful name." And she said, "Yes, it means God care for me." And my mum said, "I really like that name. I'm going to call my daughter that," and here I am.
Oh wow! That is how your name is Kemi.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say it again, please? That scenario. I want people to really understand it. Your mom works somewhere?
So my mother was hungry when she was pregnant with me, and she
Okay.
went into a fast food restaurant.
Okay.
And the lady behind the counter that served her, she got talking, and the lady took her order, and the lady had Kemi written on her name badge.
Okay.
And she said, "Oh wow, Kemi, that's a really nice name." And the lady said, "Yes, it's Nigerian." She said, "I really like it." She goes, "It means God care for me, like God bless you sort of thing." And my
Exactly.
mum said, "Yeah, I really like that." And my mum, she's always been into unusual names. She doesn't like to call her children just like, very common English names, so she likes to like mix things up. And she said, "I like Kemi. I think Kemi is the name I'm going to call my daughter." So she did, yeah. So my name is Kemi Louise, but yeah,
Kemi Lewis, and you are 100% English.
I'm 100% English, yep.
Wonderful.
Kemi, Kemi.
Oh, okay.
100%, yeah.
Oh, thanks so much, Kemi. I'm happy to meet you. A friend of Africa, a friend of Nigeria, a friend of Yoruba land. Kemi, our name. Thanks so much, viewers. Thanks, Kemi. God bless you.
God bless you, Allah. Thank you for having me.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.